Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of this session, we are gonna see how exactly we can capture the screenshots. Okay, so how to capture a screenshot for a particular element for the entire web page and for a portion of the web page that it is displaying on the screen. All these options we are going to see. So by default in a Playwright, you have this particular screenshot method that will be capturing. And here you need to specify the path where exactly you want to save this screenshot. Okay, that's fine. So if you look at it, my screen, basically, I have created a simple program that it is opening a flipkart.com. And additionally, what I have done is I created a data folder inside the tests where in which I just want to capture my screenshots. So here, what I'm going to do right now, let's go back here to the documentation, copy this line, come back here and simply place it here. The only line that I have placed, await a page dot a screenshot, you need to specify the path. Okay, you just need to specify that particular path. So here for this as a path, I'm specifying inside my test directory, inside my data, I just want to capture a screenshot with a name as a screenshot.png. Okay, screenshot.png. Now let me try to run this program and see whether it is being capturing the screenshot there or not. Step over. Okay, and resume that execution. And if you look at this folder, basically the data folder, okay, a screenshot I got a captured up to the portion whatever it is displaying. So if I rerun this program, the same screenshot will be overridden every time when you run the same program, right? The previous file content will be overridden. So I don't want to go with the overriding stuff. I just want to save every time with a new name. So in such a cases, the only thing that I want to do here is after this particular screenshot, okay, after this particular screenshot, so here add an underscore, okay, add an underscore plus, see, my copilot is prompting me suggestion, use a date dot now, which is gonna give you a timestamp. Along with that, I just wanna add a dot png to that particular file. Okay, I just want to add a dot png to that particular file. That's it, guys. So I just added that dot png to that particular file. Perfectly all right. So that's the simple thing that I have added. So now when I run this same program, this time what it will happen is every time that will be capturing a new screenshot based on the system time that it's being executed. And if you look at this particular folder right now, okay, if you look at this particular data folder right now, see the screenshot with the date timestamp got a captured. Okay, this is the way how exactly we can capture the screenshots. Perfect. Now, let us see how exactly we can capture a full page screenshot. As per the documentation, they are saying that just you need to give full page as a true. That's it. So what I'm doing right now means I'm just copying this line, commenting it again and put it here. And now what I'm gonna do right now on top of this one, if you look at it, just a comma separated and a full page is true. Just copy this value and I update it here. That's it, guys. So I just specified that. So the only thing that I made a change here is the full page is true. That's it. That's I have a specified here. Apart from that, I haven't changed anything. For the previous line, we just added a full page is equal to true. That's it. Okay. So this is the way how exactly we can update this particular test script. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do right now is let me try to run this program and check it out whether it is capturing the screenshots or not. Okay, so this time it just launched that application. Okay, so just to perform this particular one and then do this and then kill it up and come back to this particular folder once to see the screenshot. So this is the partial screenshot, this is the partial screenshot, and this is the full screenshot. I think this is not a Flipkart. So this is, I think there is an issue with this Flipkart. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me delete all the files that I have already captured the screenshots. Okay, I just deleted all the screenshots. And this time, instead of a Flipkart, let us change to Amazon. and let us see whether it is capturing the screenshots or not. Let me run the program. So as of now, there are no other files, so that it won't be any further confusing for us. So let it load. Okay, let us try to capture this screenshot. Okay, perfect. If you come back here to this particular folder again, if you come back to this folder again, see the full page Amazon screenshot got a captured. Okay, the full page. See here, the full page screenshot got a captured using this particular command, using a full screenshot. Okay, perfectly all right. And the last option that you have is, if at all there is any particular element, even if you want to capture the screenshot for that particular element, you can capture the screenshot for that particular element. So the only thing is, so far you are using a page dot a screenshot. Instead, you will be using a locator dot a screenshot. That's it. A page dot a screenshot. Instead, you will be using a locator dot a screenshot. So I have a noticed that I have a noticed that the input field, okay, the input is having a tag name, right? So I can use a get by role. Okay, so here let me pull this one. So let me close this one. Let me comment this line. Okay, let me paste this line again here. Instead of using a page dot a screenshot, get by role. Okay, the role I want to deal with here is a text box, and for this text box I want to capture the screenshots. Okay, let me try. So I was assuming that on the home screen there is only one text box, and I'm asking my program to capture the screenshot only for that particular text box itself. So the script execution is completed. Let us come back to this particular folder, and if you look at it, see, this is the text box screenshot. It got a capture. So this is the way how exactly you can capture the screenshot for a particular element, and how exactly you can capture the screenshot for an entire web page. Okay, perfectly all right. So there is another option where you can configure this particular Playwright configuration.ts. So where you can mark it down to capture the screenshots always. That we will be looking at the upcoming sessions, where how exactly we can modify that config dot file, basically Playwright configuration file. What are all the various modifications that we can do? What are all the options that you have? All those things we will be looking at in the upcoming sessions. Okay, let's take a break here. See you again in the next session. Thank you.